As a beginner on YouTube, I know you want to know how much you can make on YouTube, and yes, you're in the right place. So I have with me here how you can make money or how much YouTube can pay you for certain views on YouTube. And I have it well written here on my, palm card. I have it well written here, and this is how much YouTube can pay you for certain views on YouTube. If you want to see more of these videos, go to my playlist and go to binge watch. Right, so do what you really like and then subscribe. If something you enjoy, do what to like and subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section if you want to know how much YouTube pay for a different amount of views, like 2 million, 5 million, 10 million. Yes, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll review that and I will make that in my next video. But for now, let's focus on how much YouTube pay you for 400,000 views. 400 to like 460, 470, 480, 490, around that range, right? So here, first and foremost, this niche is a tech niche, not a finance niche, not a gaming niche. It's a tech niche. And tech, I always tell you guys, is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. You want to learn about the niches that pay the most on YouTube, link will be in the description. Go and learn that one in a different video. And the least paying content on YouTube, description box, go and see how much YouTube pay for the least paying content. But tech niches is one of the most mind-blowing niches and they pay the most money on YouTube. The only niche that is bigger than tech niche is finance niche. Yes, finance is really niche that is bigger than tech niche. So tech is my second most paying niches on YouTube. So let's get into this video. A tech niche that made over 495,000 views in 24 hours, or in a video they got 490,000 views, got over 22.3k watch hour. That means people watched and watched and watched that particular video for a very long time. So yes, that's a lot of watch hours. And a tech niche that got over 413 subscribers from just one video. That's a lot for one video. Then a tech niche that got 495,000 views from just one video made over $2,209 and 29 cents from just one single video on a tech niche. If it was a finance niche I talked about last, about 750k, got 3,000 views. So you see, tech niche is very close to finance niche. So you're either doing tech niche or you're doing finance niche. If you don't know any of these two niches on YouTube, you cannot make money. You will make money, but you don't make as much money like you want. So I would advise you sometimes have two channels. Have a channel that you're doing for money and a channel you're doing for fun. So the one you're doing for fun, assume you like gaming, and it's not making that much money. Go into finance or go into tech, right? That way you're balancing it all here on YouTube, so you can make good coins, right? And this particular tech niche or tech content that have over 490k views got over $103.41 from one day. Like, as YouTube, obviously you make money every day on YouTube from a video that's monetized, right? You make money, it's just going up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Particular video got over $103.41 per day on YouTube, and that was accumulated into getting over $2,209.29 here on YouTube. And yes, this is how much you can make from a tech niche here on YouTube. Like I said earlier, if you want to binge watch content like this, is in my playlist. You can check it out. And I want to know the content I'll pay the most on YouTube. Link got in the description box. Just scroll down and go through it. Then you want the content that pay the least on YouTube, the link goes in the description box. Scroll through and watch through, and I'll see you guys on another video of mine. Do well to give this video a like if you like it, and do well to subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section on any amount of views you want me to research about. I'll go and do my researches and bring it for you guys here on Buikem Finance, and I will see you guys in a different video. Do well to like and subscribe.